In today's video, I'm going to fit this fly screen, windshield, whatever you wish to call it, to my Honda CB650R. So stick around for that. In the kit, you get the windshield itself, the fitting kit and the bracket. This is a part number here just in case anybody else wishes to fit it to their bike. It's A1173AK. Also in the kit you get instructions how to fit it, and it'll also do the CB1000R as well. So let's crack on and get this fitted to the bike. Right, first things first, we want to get this built up. So if I lay that to the side just now, we've got our fitting kit here. So you've got your screw, plastic washer, stick that in there like so. Then you've got your rubber washer, that will sit over the plastic washer. It's a shame the plastic washers weren't black. Then you've got your spacer, that will sit in between the rubber washer, like so. You've got it like that. Then that will go on the screen, and then at the back of the screen you'll put your other rubber washer on and then screw the Allen bolt into the screen. So I'll get the A4 made up so that we're all ready to go. Literally just takes seconds. That's two. Right, now we've got them built up, we'll take our other 4 washers and our screen. We'll stick the first washer in there, like so. Pop it behind the screen and stick this one in. And I'll just get it loosely started so that I can move the rubber washers about to line them up. I'll stick that one in the bottom. Right, that's 2 in. Stick this one in. Stick it in there like so. Now I'm just doing it loosely because obviously I want to move it all about so that I can centralise the washers up. And then finally the last one, just slip that washer in. Right, that's all the washers in. So what I'll do now is I'll get them centralised and then tightened up. So I'll start with the top one. Just try and make sure that's centralised. Right, that's the washers in. I'm not sure I'm too keen on the soft rubber washers there right enough, but we'll see how that looks. I may change these washers at a later date. And the washers are all in the back there as well. So now I want to jump over to the bike and install it on the bike. Right, moving over to the bike, you'll need a T40 this time. It was a 4mm Allen key to put the Allen bolts on the screen. This one you'll need a T40, and you'll probably be easier with a T-bar as well. So if we get the first Torx out, this is where the windshield will mount into. I'll get this one out. Like so. And then we'll do the same with the other side. There we go. Now we'll stick the windshield will go over these brackets here. I'll just go over the outside. Okay, so these will go on the outside. Right, we'll slip that in, and then we'll stick the bolts back in. There is a gap just at the side here to let you in. Right, I'll loosely fit that one. Right, that's us on to this side, so we'll get this one fitted in as well. And finally I'll just nip up the other side now. Well, there we have it. That's the fly screen, windshield, whatever you wish to call it, fitted to the CB650, and I think that looks quite good. It's not too big and it's not too small, so that should do a good job at stopping all the little flies and bugs and what have you getting stuck behind your instrument panel there, and also hopefully it'll help throw up a bit of wind when you're riding. So there we go, guys. If you have liked this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, why not hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell notification icon as well. Cheers for now.